These are the Nike Air Max Cirro slides that I'm eagerly waiting for. Just got delivered today. Let's unbox it. Now we are unboxing slides from Nike. I think I have described enough info about the slides in this video by providing some product shots along with my thoughts regarding comfort, durability and how they feel. And yes, you can judge me by my presentation, but I'm sure I'll be better in the future, so stay tuned guys. Be patient, but do not behave like a patient. You know what I mean. And I have to tell you this, I have ordered size 8 but I got size 9. I wonder how it fits. Let's see. And this is the slow-mo for you guys to let you know how well that air bubble functions in the slide. Carefully observe. Now I'm about to jump. Now I'm jumping. Now I'm landing. As you see, the two partitions of the sole with the air bubble inside absorbs that shocks like magic. I would say Nike implemented that Air Max technology very well here. I kind of liked it too. Give us your thoughts on it. You're already watching it. I know, looks are perspective, but for my eyes, they look nice. I don't have to price them because I'm more like a consumer and reviewer than a promoter. They looks like a typical slide design, nothing crazy. But what differs this from other slides is that having a bubble in between the midsole. They call it Nike Air technology. It consists of upper and bottom soles stick together with the air bubble in the middle. But I wonder how long they stay together. Apart from that, they feel sturdy. As you see, there is a soft cushion under the strap providing a good comfort to your feet while walking. As you see, I'm stepping down the stairs. I'm not facing any sort of issues, so I would give 8 out of 10 for the comfort. You may face a little bit of discomfort while wearing for the first time, but eventually over time you will get used to it. The sole is made up of rubber and it is flexible. The strap is made up of some sort of leather, maybe artificial. The adhesives used is of good quality as there are no defects in finishing. The cushion under the strap will absorb sweat. If you wear this without socks, especially in the summer, your foot will sweat like crazy and these cushions will absorb that sweat and eventually becomes nasty and might get smelly. I want to let you know that these slides are not water resistant, so if you do wash it with water, it may affect the longevity of the slide. And strap is in white color, so you may know it will easily get dirty if you're not taking care of it. That's what I want to say, and here I'm giving the extra footage. You guys will ask how much does it cost to you? Well, these are officially priced at 3,695 rupees. But don't worry, you'll get a discounted price of around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees during Flipkart sales. That's where I bought it from. I know that's on a pricier side for a slide, but what you have to keep in mind is what you get for that price. Number 1, Nike brand value. Number 2, durability. Number 3, comfort. And number 4, that air bubble functionality. If that's what you're looking for in a slider, I don't know what else could stop you from not buying this. Just get it. That's what I want to say. Just get it.